Hey guys, welcome to another video. If y'all would, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and bell for notifications if you haven't already. What we have here is the new primary that just came in and a new belt. This is for the Ranger. So here's the old primary, and there's buku slack in this spider here. I don't know if you can see that. But this one, no slack at all. This is the new one. So this is the cheap one off eBay. Has the blue and white spring just like mine. Only thing I can see really that looks different is these bolts, maybe a little bit different. But this is supposed to go bolt directly on and be good to go. So that's what I plan on doing with it. So I'm gonna scuff it up, get ready for the new belt, and I'll scuff this up again, get it ready for the new belt, and then that'll be installed right back here. So those will go on, and we'll make sure that it'll go from forward and reverse easily instead of getting wouldn't come out of gear before or felt like it was about to die when I stopped. But other update is garage product bushings are finally done. Here's the rears, top shock, lower shock. The lower shocks are thicker than the top shocks. Just so you know. Here's the hub ones, uppers and lowers. The shocks don't have the little rubber O-ring in them. That's the only ones that doesn't. Everything else does. So upper A-arm here, we have it. Lower A-arm. So tightened everything up. Everything's good to go. Like I said, we have new brake pads. I put some silicone on the bottom nut down here because these tend to back out for some reason. So, I mean, hopefully that'll help it from doing that. Brakes are all tight. Here's the lower shocks, thinner on the upper shocks. So, garage products update on the Ranger, guys. Also installed the wireless winch remote. So that's in here as well. So we have the wireless winch. If I had the remote right here, let me see. Wireless winch, pretty cool little thing. Let's see what we got. Is this it? Yep, here it is. So out, in. A little too much. There we go. There it is. That's the one. But yeah, that's cool. That's installed. So all I'll have left, guys, to do is the radio. So I'm gonna wire this one into that if need be, and that one into that if I can't fix the rear speaker issue. And I'm gonna put a new switch up there, which will take care of the front headlight part, and the back being tied into one. I want them separated again. Other than that, guys, I think that's it. So yeah, she's gonna be ready for the up church ride. Got my little tie downs in case we put some ice chests or something back here, some parts. Yep, she's looking good. Hopefully this will be the last time we do all this. I doubt it. But anyways, oh, look at those poor seats. Y'all help me out with that. Let me know who you got who can redo those seats OEM style. But anyways, if y'all would, hit that like and subscribe like I asked in the beginning. And I will see y'all in the next one. Take it easy, guys.